Back in June, I had COVID, which thank God I recovered from. It wasn't a very pleasant experience. I had high temperatures, going up to 39.6, and fatigue was the biggest thing for me. The process is really easy. I received a letter from Public Health Wales inviting me to do this. So they sent me a questionnaire which I filled out. And then I received a phone call inviting me to Aberdeen to the testing centre. Met by some nice staff, filled out another little questionnaire about myself. And then they tested my pulse, my iron levels, and just to see if I was fit really to go through the process. And that's why I'm here today. I decided to donate convalescent plasma this way today in favour of whole blood donation because it gives you the opportunity to donate again much quicker so I can help more people in need. Plasmafferesis enables me to donate 2 units of convalescent plasma that has the potential to help 2 people who are suffering from the effects of COVID-19. My donation today will be used as part of 2 UK-wide clinical trials to establish if the use of convalescent plasma is of medical benefit to patients suffering from the disease. The trials are still ongoing, but I'm really happy. I'm here supporting them and potentially helping someone in need. The whole experience has been good for me. I'm coming back in 2 weeks' time to donate another lot of plasma. It's a worthy cause, and together we can be stronger and we can beat this. So please, I urge you, respond, come and give plasma. It's painless, it's quick, and it's a good cause. Please help.